How often should you clean your gutters? You should clean your gutters at least twice a year, once in the spring and once in the fall, to keep water flowing away from your home and prevent damage to your roof, walls, and foundation. Think of your gutters like a straw system for your whole house. When it rains, water runs off your roof and into the gutters, then travels down through the downspouts and away from your house. If leaves, sticks, and dirt build up inside the gutters, the water gets stuck and cannot flow anywhere. That stuck water can then spill over the sides and pool right next to your foundation, which is the base that holds your whole house up. Over time, that pooling water can crack your foundation or cause your basement to flood. Something a lot of people do not know is that clogged gutters are actually one of the top hidden causes of wood rot around your roof line, because the trapped moisture soaks into the wooden boards behind the gutter called the fascia board. Once that wood starts rotting, it can cost thousands of dollars to repair. So keeping your gutters clear is not just about looks, it is really about protecting the entire structure of your home. One common mistake is only cleaning the gutters that you can see from the ground, but the real clogs usually happen near the downspouts where you cannot see them, so make sure you check those spots directly or hire someone who will. Another big misconception is thinking that gutter guards mean you never have to clean your gutters again, but guards only block larger debris, and fine dirt and seeds can still build up underneath them over time, so you still need a yearly check. A lot of homeowners also wait until they see a problem, like a leak or a sagging gutter, before doing anything, but by then damage has usually already started, so a good tip is to set a reminder twice a year so you stay ahead of it instead of reacting to it. If you need help with a project like this, you can search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app JobIt tier, where homeowners and property owners can list their jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.